Hello guys, hope you're doing super well here. So today, I was talking about what we call trailing edge. What's called a trailing edge, and how to create trailing edge. What means trailing edge? Trailing edge is something you know personally, and until you see something. Let me say here, you get the car. For example, you get a car, right? Your car has a special sign. Let me say here you have a special color, or let me say here you stay in a dangerous area. Maybe they can rob your car or whatever it happened. You see, then you put something in some color somewhere is hidden. As you guys can understand what I mean, what I'm trying to say. So the edge is something like that you know personally. You can identify something that have a unique information. You guys together. So structural price action, and what I learned from my mentors, if you want to read the price action, first you need to go recently price action. This is what I learned from and daily price action. Justin Bennett from America. This other mentor called Steve Back. What I learned from him, everything is 3. So this means the month is finished. Whenever month is finished, what you gonna do? Right there, new month is finished. So you read 3 months price action, what they was doing, what market was doing. This month break the other months. This month become inside month. Inside month is month that doesn't break any level. So let me say here, this is 3rd month. This is my support and resistance day on my high and low. So this month become inside months. So you guys can see. So what last month did? Last month they break out, they bull back, they make it higher high. Let me see if what do I can understand. They make it higher high, and they come back and close higher low. They never break daily low. If they don't break daily low, a monthly low, there's no lower low. Are you guys together? So they didn't break any daily level low, means this is a higher high and higher low. In that edge, that kind of edge is telling me what? This market actually is going back to where new to all-time high. Do I know? I don't know. But the information of this price action edge is giving me is what? This month inside months, this month create higher high, this month now close it higher low. When the market close higher low, what does that mean? This market, this edge is telling me now, this market is going up this month. From there, what I need to look for? Confirmation is structural lower time frame. Are you guys together? So in this particular case, go to the last month. Let me say last month didn't start. June month. What you're going to do? Same process. You're going to do 3 months price action. This, and this. So what 3 months is telling you? 3 months is telling you here, this month was a high and low. The Phillips zone, or what do you call it here? You can solve Phillips zone of high and low, or break a block, whatever you call, whatever you name it, guys. So this month she close it in bullish breakout and make it higher high. So this month she come down, create high, low high, and also create a higher low for the last structure. So as you see, she tried to break back but failed to break back. This means she create failed breakout around here, local fake breakout. In this particular case, the market create also inside higher high, inside structure. Shock inside, my market see inside the higher high. This back you call inside higher high. Higher high inside, they mean higher high inside, low inside. What does that mean? The trend is bullish, short time. To where? To this all-time highs, or to this high. See, that's you liquidity zone or last area. You guys come together. So the monthly open first week close inside, and they give us confirmation for what? For the monthly opening closing price, which is monthly level. Then what we can expect market to go fly. So that's our edge we can trade. See guys, the monthly open, create higher inside, come back higher low, and create like that. Yes. Higher highs, higher lows, come back to higher lows, short term higher low, then we go back higher high. Are you guys together? The other months before, in the other months before, it's the same process apply. So what I call that's trading edge is what I call trading edge. Are you guys together? So let me say we want to trade this May month. So what we do 3 months cycle. So our age, what our age price action tell us, you need to understand what this month, this month, this month. So this month is telling us what is what 3 months is high. So our age is telling us the market is breakout is away very far. Market is overbought. What do you call overbought? This month I was looking for sell. I remember I sell from here. They hit my stop loss. Serious. Because I was looking for sell. Because I wasn't looking for buy. This buy is going up, but I wasn't looking for buy. I wasn't looking for buy. Because why? Because they hit 3 times they hit my stop loss around here. I was looking for very strategy. They hit 3 top stop loss. But you see what I'm looking for? This move, guys. Why? Because market is oversold. I don't want to any buy. Are you guys together? You need to understand one thing here. For and or to have your own age and respect that age. Are you guys together? So when you have that age, it's good, very good, very good. And monthly level is like that. Also breakout level is very nice also. So but the age is this month's market breakout. They pull back. Whatever goes up must come down. What goes down must go up. You must understand one thing here. The market create higher high. The market create higher low. Also, this is a higher low. Or SMT divergence, whatever you call it. Then now, the market create higher high. So this is specific issue edge. You see? That's what you call edge, guys. Are you guys together? So going down to H4 for weekly data. When you are reading monthly data, you must use a daily time frame. Why? This is a bracket here, monthly. This other bracket, monthly. This other bracket, monthly. This other bracket, monthly. That's why I don't use a trading view platform. I no longer use. Because I see my failure is trading view. I don't use anymore. That's why I'm using only MT4 now, trading platform. Because I see the data clearly, easily. Are you guys together? So if I want to use weekly price action data, structured data, zones, Philip zones, and easy. These are H4, these are weekly zones. Weekly price action, weekly data, weekly data, weekly data, weekly data. So trading view, I need the indicators to show me data. I don't want that. I don't want to confuse. You see, guys? So this is a weekly data. So I can easily read weekly data, weekly data. So when I read my data, then I know the structural zones and simplicity. So I like to keep my thinking simple, not complicate anything, guys. Are you guys together? In this particular case, and when the week open here, see this week is here, this week is here, this week is here, 3 weeks. So 3 week high and 3 week low. Are you guys together? I don't know what market will do, but I know my zones. Because my edge zone is here. I don't know. I'm not even trying to know what market will do. Because that's what we call it. My mentor call it be reactive. I learned one thing from Italian mentor in 2020. What he tell me? Don't be reactive, be predictive. What does that mean? You don't know if the market will break back this area or respect. Can you tell me? No. Well, the market is here, below the zone. Do you know the market will respect this zone or know the market will respect this zone and go down, or do you know market will break back and do so? You don't know. So keep thinking simple. Are you guys together? When you keep that thing simple, that's my boundary high, boundary low. In this particular case, this last week, my boundary high and low. So the market break this area. Last trend here was higher highs, higher lows. So this was a special last higher low. So the market shifted from here. Short time shift. Okay. They create lower low, lower high. Then they come back with a trend system and create lower low. As you guys can see. So the market now break back last higher low. So actually the market create lower high here. Let me say lower high here. So when they break this lower high here, what you can see, they create higher high inside. And now, by the other strategy, they're breaking up, and now they create other higher high inside. That's why the market is going up the zone. Are you guys together? That's why the market is respecting this area. You need to understand one thing here. Higher high, higher low. The market is now going back to that zone. Possibly. So respecting those areas. The market trend create higher high inside. This means the market stop this bearish trend at all. Are you guys together? When they stop that bearish trend, respect that new trend. It's that simple. And you're going to use 3-day cycle data, 3-month cycle data, and 3-day cycle data. In this particular case, coming back to daily price action. What do you do? What do you do? Same process apply. This is like a 1, 2, 3. So this I say Friday high must to hold the level. So I actually analyze the market when the daily candle closing. So the only way you understand is to be awake 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and try to backtest almost like 30 days. From there you will understand what I'm saying. Before, sorry my friend, you are not serious for your life. You are not serious for your life, my friend. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry you are not serious. Are you guys together? In this particular case, what I say here, this day 3 high and day 3 low. So day 3 low, what happened? I'm reading price action. This fails breakout or liquid sweep, whatever you call. Then now market create higher high inside. Higher high inside here. This they give us now higher low, higher high for bullish structure. Again, the market break this zone. And now yesterday closed bullish breakout. So yesterday I see the market close bullish breakout. I see the market create higher high. I only wanted to see to buy at the higher low, to buy at the higher low, to buy at the higher low. That's my plan of the day. Are you guys together? Why? It is my edge. Are you guys together? Yesterday, I don't care what others are making. Some are selling, some are buying. I don't care. My edge is telling me buy this market if not breaking this area. If market not breaking this area, market create higher high and market show me bullish breakout, then ball back continuation on timing window, 12 candle window, 2 to 5 a.m. or 3 to 5 a.m. In my group, what I say here. In my group, what I say here, in my big group, what I say here. Simple. Gold 10 to 11 a.m. entry. I give from here, day, where the market is now. You need to understand here the simple price action and follow your system. That's only the way you can make money trading. Without edge, forget about trading success, guys. I'm telling you. Also, hey, I'm coming. So are you guys with me? So this small move is better than a big move. I don't care the big move. The small move is money. Are you guys together? Why? I'm following my edge. I'm following my edge. You need to understand my edge. All right. So tomorrow, how you going to trade this from this move? Simple. What you going to read? 3-day price action. What's here? Day 1, day 2, day 3. In this particular case, what I'm going to say, this is day 3 high. This is day 3 low. So what this day did? Fail breakout. What this day did? Breakout. Market still in breakout. So what you can expect here? What you can expect this area to be also to be multi-zone area for you. So this area also this low to be like what I can hear and fail breakout or liquidity sweep, but can be like that. So tomorrow we can also expect if they don't break this high, we can also expect this to create more consolidation, price action, but my direction is still bias. So they can, if they break up, pull back, we buy. If they don't break, they can pull back around here, sweep this liquidity with 3 sessions set up, we buy again. Why? Then we buy on day 3 turn 3. Why? Because still this day is bullish breakout. Are you guys together? This day is still bullish breakout. So possibility we still fly. We're still going to fly. Are you guys together? So if the next day finish somewhere around here, how you gonna analyze? Every day you must apply and respect the price action. You see, if this market close tomorrow up high, you write price 3 days price action here. The market close 3 price action here. So you have to respect that everyday price action. That's what I call trading edge. That's what you call trading edge. You understand what I mean? What I'm trying to say. So try to understand what means edge. Try to understand what means edge. The edge is like that. Okay. In this particular case, let me try to show you this day. Let me say, yeah, you want to trade this day. Okay. Let me say you want to trade this day. So, all right. What you do? This, and this. 3 days. 3-day low is multi-zone area for you. In this particular day, what do you see? The market break early your confluence area. Are you guys with me? The market break your confluence area early, then keep flying to where? To your resistance. So if you don't know this edge, if you don't have this kind of edge, you didn't buy this market yesterday. Because you can just start kind of confirm bullish candles without pullback. How many guys was trying to wait in pullback and miss the trade because you don't know what they're doing? How many guys try to sell? Are you guys together? Me, I also tried to sell around here. I lost yesterday because I was respecting this resistance. I lost yesterday. Are you guys together? Because I was expecting like pullback. I sell early, man. No problem. They hit me. No problem. But at least they come down. Are you guys together? In this particular case, go this day. What you going to do? 3-day price action. Let's call it bigger picture price action. Okay. How to read bigger picture and understanding what's called edge. Edge. Also this day. Let me say this day. This day, I'm reading, trying to read this 3-day price action. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 3-day high is here. This day try to make it higher high and try to create higher high fail. So the market is sweep liquidity around here and around shift around here, low. Choke, state of delivery, whatever you call it. Boss, whatever you call it. Then market create this day higher low and close higher low. In this day, stays back. He say, think you entered about yesterday closing price. You have to be awake Asian session, and you must be honest for trading success. Those days I'm awake. I don't sleep that night. You sleeping? And the market left you. Free cash. The train left the station early. Are you guys together? In this particular case, this day close lower low. When this day close lower low, the market is at the lower low. Every time the market comes lower low, the market go back to the lower high. The market must go to lower high. Can be short, can be like. So what you going to use for Fibonacci retracement to measure where they can pull back. As you guys can see, where they can pull back from the high to low. So you know where they can pull back. They can pull back around here. Are you guys together? They can pull back around there. Are you guys together? You can keep that symbol. It's simple like that. Go to this day. 3D price action. You see, this day, and this day. 3D price action. Are you guys together? 3D price action. Are you guys together? So this day, high and low. This day, try to break a new trend. The market create new trend here. Then, this was a boundary area. The market create higher low. Again, higher high. Then the market broke this trend down. Lower low, lower high. In the ASEAN early session, think you that yesterday closing price collapse. Breaking 3D low, lower low again. Outside, lower low inside, and lower low outside. If you listen to this back too much, you will hear that a lot. Lower low outside, lower low inside, high high outside, high high inside. You will hear a lot. But if you are taking the lessons, you will understand what he means. It's about the market, about the levels, structure, bigger picture, all of bullshit understanding. Okay, going back this day. I want to this day, right? Okay, this day, right? So what do you do? This day, and this day. 3D price action. You want to do bigger picture. You want to do bigger picture, right? So the market, bigger picture is showing you what? The market is on a breakout, bearish breakout. Create lower low. Market try to create lower high. Again, the lower high become an inducement. Again, now they are creating one bush, two bush, or racing wedge. One bush, two bush, three bush. You see, I buy, I sell early, around this area. They hit my stop loss. Again, I sell. Again, after I sell, collapse back down, and I left it away. Oh, you see what I mean, guys? I also based on Facebook also. Hey, if you are listening, the simplicity I'm flowing, guys. The simple rules. So this day I want to trade 3D cycle, structure, bigger picture, lower low, low, high, lower low, lower low. You will see the bearish breakout, bullish breakout, lower low, low, high, lower low. You know what you're doing, but you don't have edge. That's what you're missing, guys. After years of almost 5 years of struggle in trading, I see and understand the importance of edge. Is this back always talk about edge? What's it about? It's edge. No edge in no section in this business, guys. To be honest, I don't want to tell you lies. No edge. What I call edge is like a wife. When you have a wife, you are a disciplined person, right? You try to be, and at least when you are with the women, you try to be a gentleman, eh? Stay away from anything, yeah? Are you guys together? You try to stay away anything, any trouble, you see? Very disciplined, you see? Try everything, right? Responsible man, you see why? Because you are married, most. You are in a oath, what they call oath. You are in a marriage, most. Problem, you see? So trading is like that. Let me see. Yeah, trading edge is like that. Edge, the mean of edge is like that, guys. So when you have that edge, you follow your edge. You will see a lot of guys making a lot of money there when you are still waiting, and when you are respecting your edge. Don't worry. Follow your edge. What I tell you now, in edge, the edge is telling me buy. What do you see? The edge was telling me buy. The edge was telling me buy. The edge was telling me buy. I buy. Until the market broke the level back. Do I know the market break back? I don't know. That's why I say, many guys, please don't try to break the future. I used to be that way. That's what I call Sango mentality. Me, I call Sango mentality. My mentor call it market genius, market expertise. Me, I call Sango mentality. You cannot know the future. Anyway, guys, and I will understand my bonds and taking advice from here. Anyway, and I wish you good luck. Try to and back test and forward test. What time? Evening time, night time, brother. You must be serious. To understand this age and this price action, you must be awake 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. While others sleeping, back test. 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 You want to progress. Keep simple traders. Think simple and keep it simple. And may the market be with you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.